Hi, Yefo. Welcome to your Wednesday's lesson on ICT. I hope you completed your Education City activities yesterday, and I hope you're ready for your lesson today. So, we continue learning about PowerPoint. We will have a lot of lessons on PowerPoint presentations because it's important that you know and that you know how to work all of the features of this program. All right, so today, again, we are creating a PowerPoint presentation, but this time we are going to look at different features and especially animations. You will create a slideshow, a PowerPoint slideshow. I'm going to show you how it should look exactly, and I'm going to show you or demonstrate how are you going to use animations in your PowerPoint. Please don't forget to record a video of your PowerPoint. Please also read out the information on your PowerPoint and then just showcase your animations in the video. Looking forward to seeing your work. All right, so let's get to it. So here is the PowerPoint presentation that I prepared for this lesson. You can just, if you want to see the lessons or lesson objectives, feel free to open it and look. And here I wrote everything in detail. Again, in case you find it hard to follow the video and you get stuck and you want to go back to the steps, just please look at this. I wrote it step by step. Anyway, so today you will be making a presentation on the digestive system. So last week we learned a lot about the digestive system and different parts, and today you are going to showcase your knowledge, or you are going to generally just show what you know and show it to us in a presentation. All right, so what you're going to do, again, you are going to open a new PowerPoint presentation. Please choose the template that you like the most. Me personally, I would like to go for the parcel one, and I'll choose this color. Yeah, love it. Great. Okay, good. This is the title page. In the title page, I would like you to write the digestive. All you have to write here. And of course, under it, you will have to write your name. So because my name is Kristina Stanova, I will write by Kristina Stanova. Okay, perfect. Right click, new slide. In this slide, I would like you to write parts of the digestive system. And here, I would like you to list 6 different parts of the digestive system, okay, which is the mouth. Don't forget to start each bullet point with a capital letter. So we have the mouth, we have teeth, we have tongue, we have our esophagus. Sorry. Yes, I think I spelled it right. Good. Esophagus, we have small intestine, large intestine. So that's 6 parts in total. I know there are other parts such as the glands and a few other things, but I think these 6 are the most important ones that we learned about. So now you have your 6 bullet points, and now you need to find a picture of the digestive system. So what will you do? You will go on Google and you will type in the digestive system. Please click on images because we want to get that picture. Right, and let's say I really like this one, or maybe this one. So please click on it, and then as usual, right click, save picture as, and please save it somewhere where you will be able to open it. So I'm gonna save mine to pictures, and I'm gonna write digestive system pic. Okay, good. I'm gonna save it in pictures. There we go. Well, I hope it's been saved. Now I'll open my PowerPoint presentation. And now you can open a the files on your computer. I saved it to picture, so it should be here. Let me see. Digestive system, indeed it's here. And all you have to do is keep clicking left just and drag it into the PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, my picture is really big, so drag the corners of the pictures to adjust the size. Now it's perfect, okay? Now, what do you actually have to do? So, now I would like you to use the animations, okay? So that means that each part of your slide must be animated, not just one, all of them, okay? So I'm gonna, or you guys are going to click on animations, okay? And if you can see, there's actually loads to choose from, loads, 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 okay? So so you clicked on animations, you have it open. Now click on the first part, and let's say I want the split animation for the first part. Very good. Now guys, you need to click on the next thing, because next I want this text to appear, so I click on the text, okay? And that's gonna be floating, okay? So the text is going to float in. Now, I also want my picture to have an animation, so I click on the picture and I'm gonna click on shape. All right. So I have, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 animations here. Each part of your slide must have an animation. Please, guys, don't just animate the picture or just one thing, and every part must be animated. Please bear that in mind. Okay, if you, let's say, okay, so this is one picture. Let's say I find another one, yeah? Let's say I want to do two. You are only required to put one picture on, but let's say you want to do two. So, okay, I'm gonna choose another one. Let's say I also like uh, this one, okay? So I'm just gonna do, just as usual, right click, save picture as, and I'm gonna save it as digestive 2 into my pictures. There we go. And I'm gonna go back to my PowerPoint. I'm gonna open these and I'm gonna attach this picture too. So now let's say I have two pictures, okay? And of course, each picture must have an animation. So this one is not animated yet. So again, animations, click on picture, okay? And I want this one as a wheel, okay? Now, let's say I want this picture on the right to animate first and then this picture. So what do you have to do? You can actually open the animation panel and it actually shows you the order one by one. Picture 6 is the last animation, number 9. Let's say I want to like swap the picture. So you can just click on this and kind of drag it here. And now they changed order. So it will be this picture first and then that one will animate. So now when I actually play my PowerPoint presentation, this is how it looks. Okay. You keep clicking the space bar. All right. So this is how it looks. Each part is animated. Okay, I'm going to remove this picture because honestly, it's enough that you have one picture per slide. Now, guys, your task is to create a PowerPoint presentation about each part of this digestive system. So what do you have to do? Now, your next slide is going to be about the mouth. So next slide, mouth. Now, you need to write the function of the mouth. Okay, what is the function of the mouth in the digestive system? You can go through your science notes, you can go back to your workbook, you can go back to science presentations. But I would like to see your own knowledge here. Okay, what do you know about the mouth? What happens in the mouth? If you really have no clue, which I think you do have a clue, and it would be kind of sad for me to know that you didn't learn anything about the mouth. But if you really have no clue, you can just click mouth function on Google, and here we have the function mouth. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract, and in fact digestion starts when taking the first bite of food. Chewing breaks the food into pieces and the more easily digested while saliva mixes with food. I think I only need this part, so I'm going to copy it and then right click, paste. Okay. All right, so this is a brief description of what the mouth does. And then again, you go on Google, you need to find a picture of a mouth. So mouth, digestive system, I'm going to put it like that, digestive system, go into images, and I find the mouth. Okay, I like this picture very much. So right click, save picture as, and I'm going to save it as mouth in pictures, save. Now I go back to my PowerPoint presentation. Again, I open my pictures. It should say mouth. Yes, here it is. I'm going to put it in here. There we go. You can include a couple of pictures if you want, okay? But this is how it should look. Now, guys, the next step, each part of this slide is animated. Don't leave any part out. So first I click on animations. First I click on the first part of the slide, which is mouth, and I want to use appear. Then the bullet points under it, I want to use grow and turn. And last, the picture, click on the picture, and I want to use the pulse. Okay, so now all three parts are animated, so that's fine. Okay, I didn't like my effect with the mouth, so I might as well change it. So I click on it and I will use the swivel one. All right, so now what do you have to do, guys? You need to go one by one part of the digestive system. So mouth is done for you, and then you continue. Slide for teeth, one slide for tongue, one slide for esophagus, one slide for small intestine, one slide for large intestine. So after mouth, again, new slide, and now teeth. Write about the function of the teeth and then attach your picture, animate all parts of your slide. So that means you will have a title page, you will have an introduction page about the parts of the digestive system, and then you will have 6 slides on each part of the digestive system will have its own slide. That makes it 6 slides plus introduction plus title. That's 8 slides in total, guys. 8 slides in total. Okay, if you have a less number of slides, that means you didn't follow the instructions. So please do make sure you create slides for each part of the digestive system, including the introduction page. Okay, now when you submit it, make sure, as I said, make sure you read out your text and just make sure you show us all of the features, all of the animations that you added. So at the end of this class, you will have achieved a great skills in PowerPoint. So now at the end of your lesson, you will know how to use animations in your PowerPoint slides, and hopefully you can use it. It can be useful for you in the future when you create whatever kinds of PowerPoint presentations for whatever occasions. All right, I hope you enjoy playing with PowerPoint, and see you next week. Bye.